Import black background image. Import song. Go text and click auto lyrics. Check lyrics text properly. Go to style and template, click basic. Go to fonts and click Caslin. Export video. Open Node Video app. Import exported video. Go to plus icon and click Assets Store. Click Glow. Go to plus icon and click Assets Store. Go to Nature and click Water and adjust size. Please like and subscribe. Export video. Open CapCut, import video again. Import song again. Go to overlay and click red background image. Go to splice and click overlay.